Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called Love Beyond Boundaries. The story unfolds in the beautiful city of Udaipur, where the shimmering lakes and grand palaces hold centuries of love and longing. Amidst this timeless beauty, two souls from different worlds cross paths. V. Raj Singh Rathod, the heir to royal business empire, and Naina Verma, a simple yet passionate photographer who sees the world through her lens, not through wealth. V. Raj Singh Rathod, 28 years old, a wealthy businessman, bound by his family traditions yet longing for something deeper than riches. Naina Verma, 24-year-old, a hardworking and talented photographer, struggling to make a name for herself while running her late father's small photography studio. Thakur Suresh Rathod, Veer's father, a proud and authoritative man who values status above all else. Gauri, Naina's youngest 18-year-old sister. Full of dreams, she supports Naina in all her struggles. Veer had everything: luxury, power, and prestigious name. Yet deep inside, he felt something was missing. One evening, as he walked along Lake Pichola, he noticed a quaint little photography studio, Naina Photography. Curious, he stepped inside and was instantly captivated by the photographs on the walls. Each picture had a story, capturing emotions beyond the ordinary. "Who took these?" he asked, intrigued. "I did," came a soft yet confident voice. He turned to see Naina, a young woman with eyes that held deep beyond her years. "Your photographs are alive," he admitted, mesmerized. Naina smiled. "That's because I don't see with my eyes, I see with my heart." At that moment, we realized she was unlike anyone he had ever met. Fascinated by her talent, Veer offered her a project to capture his family's heritage hotel in a photography series. This meant spending time together exploring the beauty of Udaipur through her camera lens. As days turned into weeks, their friendship deepened. Veer admired her passion while Naina discovered a kinder side of the man behind the wealth. They found solace in each other's company, unaware that our hearts were silently falling in love. One evening, as the sun painted the sky orange, Veer watched Naina taking pictures and whispered, "Your photos may capture beauty, but you are the most beautiful sight I have ever seen." Naina's heart skipped a beat. She had tried to suppress her feelings, knowing that they were from different worlds. "Veer, we cannot be," she said hesitantly. "Why?" he asked, stepping closer. "Because love is not about two people. In your world, my presence would be nothing but a mistake." But Veer had already too deeply in love to let her go. News of their growing closeness reached Veer's father, Thakur Suresh Rathod. Furious, he confronted his son. "A mere photographer? Do you even realize what this will do to your family's reputation?" he thundered. Veer stood his ground. "Father, she's more than a status. She's everything I never knew I needed." But the Thakur would not hear of it. He threatened Naina, "Leave Veer, or I will ensure your family loses everything." Heartbroken but determined to protect her sister, Naina wrote a letter to Veer. "Our worlds are too far apart. Some love stories are better left unfinished." And then she disappeared. Veer was devastated. He searched for Naina everywhere, but she was gone. Months later, he heard about a grand photography competition in Delhi. The winning entry was a portrait titled "The Eyes That Loved Me." Veer's breath caught. It was his own photograph taken by Naina. Determined, he rushed to the event. As Naina stepped onto the stage to receive her award, she was asked, "What inspired this picture?" With teary eyes, she replied, "It's not just a picture. It is a part of me. The only thing I couldn't keep, but could never let go." At that moment, a voice echoed from the crowd. "But I am still yours." Naina gasped as Veer walked towards her. The entire hall felt silent. "You left thinking our love was impossible," he said softly. "But love doesn't care for status or society. It only asks, 'Do you love me?'" With tears streaming down her face, Naina whispered, "Always." Veer held out his hand. "Then let's write our own destiny." This time, Naina didn't run. Veer defied traditions and chose love over wealth. His father, seeing his son's unwavering devotion, finally understood that true legacy is built on happiness, not social status. Under the same Lake Pichola sunset where the journey began, Veer and Naina married, not as rich boy and poor girl, but as two souls who had found home in each other. Now, Naina's photographs didn't capture landscape and places, they captured a love that defied all odds. True love is definitely not defined by wealth, but by the connection of two hearts. Some moments are too precious to be just memories. They deserve a future. We hope you like the story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.